Wait! There it is! Alright. Thank God. Oh, okay. Now Cole won't kill me.
Yeah. That's perfect.
Alright guys, so I'm not quite yet sure. You'll probably know by the title of this video. This video is going to be about just pure sound on this bike, or it's going to be about first ride with the new GoPro setup. Maybe both, I don't know, but I'm going to, just in case we're doing sound, throw this guy in here. Here we go, baby. I'm really excited to see how this exhaust sounds. Woo! Feels so good to be out. Nice day, looks like it might rain, but watch out for this truck. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, bro? Are you serious? Hope you guys can hear those backfires. It sounds so good with this aero exhaust. Like I mentioned in the last video, definitely worth it. It was 310 bucks. Came directly from Italy, so it took like 7 weeks total. Projected lead time was 4 to 6 weeks via Revzilla, but I understand how that lead time works, considering I used to work at Revzilla, which I did for like 7 or 8 months. But happy to have it now. We'll eventually probably plan on getting the headers, and along with that will also be a DynoJet fuel commander, just a piggyback system. That way I can tune it. I'm probably going to buy that before the headers, to be honest, but that way I can tune it now, already probably get it to run a little bit better, and then also go ahead and I'm able just to modify it once I put the headers on. So, but I am loving this new exhaust. Oh, I'm a mess. I'm a freaking sweaty mess at that, too. Did I drop the glove somewhere? Are you kidding me? Dude, this is just a day in the life with fucking Connor, I swear to God. Bro, did I really just lose that fucking glove? That's ridiculous. I'm so stupid. Bro, I don't see it fucking anywhere. Wait! There it is! Alright. Thank God. Hey, now we've got everything set up. I'm just not even going to turn this fucking thing off. And we're just going to ride. Now, commence the sound. So, let's do it. Alright, finally. So now we're at the Gladwin exit. This will take us to some nice roads. Oh, I love it. Oh, I know this spot. See if we can get this thing to wheelie. All these freaking speed bumps, dude. Not cool. Speed bumps are not cool. If anyone's got any tips